Hi guys, and welcome to the first episode of RC Scale Tools. I'm your host Mike Chilson from RCSCALEBUILDER.com, and this series was designed to cover tools that the beginner and radio control scale building might need in their shop. And if they're not familiar with the tools, then talk a little bit about them and what they're used for. Okay. This is a whole series. We're going to try and put one out a week. I don't know, if I'll be able to do that, but we're going to try because there's a lot of production time involved in this. But with that said, let's get started. This episode is about needle files or key files. You may hear these files called both things, depending on who you talk to. But basically, what you're looking at here is a set from Harbor Freight. These are under $10. I think they're more like about $5 actually. And then a set that my buddy David Heil gave me from Germany. Let's look at both of them. First, we'll look at the key files here. These are a little larger than the regular needle files, and they tend to be a little higher grade file. As you can see, there's different shapes. There's a pointed flat, a squared flat, a triangle, a circle, a square, and an arch. So you have several different shapes there. And then you've got the set from Harbor Freight. Let's pull one of these out and take a look. Let's see what we got. Here's one. This is a triangle one. And as you can see, they're just small, fine files. Okay? They're made for fine, smooth work. They're not made to cut a lot of material away. And all of these files will work with wood, plastic, metal, and Bondo. A lot of times, if any of you have ever seen any of the Scratch This series from Dave Platt, you'll know that he uses Bondo to shape small parts, and I've done that before too, and these are excellent in shaping that. But definitely something you want to put in your workshop because you can use it quite a bit when you're trying to get two pieces or a joint 90 degrees and make it nice and pretty. These will help you clean that up and get it there without having to, spend a lot of time. But the more important thing is taking care of these. And it's very simple. We'll do one of these key files here. I think one of them needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Yeah, this flat one here, for example, okay? As you can see, some rust has gotten on it. But we're going to clean it up. And the way we're going to do that, let me move these out of the way, is we're just going to take some WD-40, or you can use light machine oil if you prefer that, and spray on here on both sides. And then take a wire brush and start cleaning. And you want to follow the flow of the file, okay? So these are kind of at a 45-degree angle. So I'm using the brush that way to clean them out. And if you'll notice, some of the finish seems to be coming off. That's okay. Over time, that will happen, but it's nothing to worry about. The main thing is to keep them clean, though. And then we just take a cloth or a paper towel and kind of absorb all the extra. And there, now we've got a nice clean file, okay? And that will keep them from rusting, and will also allow you to get many, many years of use out of them. So once again, you can purchase these needle files at Harbor Freight. I believe these may have came from Micromark. I'm not sure, but I'll find out and put it in the comments of the video. Anyway, that's about it for this week. Thanks for watching, and hope you'll tune in for the next video. Not sure yet what it's going to be, but we'll find something interesting to talk about. If you have any questions, be sure and post comments, and I'll try and answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Until next time.